Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You, and I got another new box. It is Magnolia Soap and Bath Company. So this is a monthly box, and it is only $19 a month. You do pay shipping. So this box here cost me $25, $35. So, I cannot wait to dive in because I absolutely love bath products, and this box is really heavy. Now I think this might be a chain company, and they do have storefronts, and I came across this because I had found on social media there was a store that was opening, and I saw that they were advertising they were going to be doing monthly subscription boxes, and I kept waiting and waiting and waiting, and I reached out to them and I'm like, are you guys gonna do subscription boxes? And they had commented, well, their store is opening on such and such day. So I found and saw where their store had opened. So I went on their website, and I'm like, I'm still not seeing that they're doing subscription boxes. That's when I realized that they are what appears to be a franchise. So I'm not 100% sure where I bought the box from. I would think it's probably from like the main company, perhaps. It definitely, I don't think, was from that local store. I'm not really quite sure. But as soon as I can get into this box, we are going to check it out. All right, here we go. Pretty. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, wow. I was not expecting this, you guys. Check this out. Magnolia Soap and Bath Company laundry wash. The scent is Influencer. Okay, I was not expecting this, you guys. But I love it because I have bought laundry powder from like a bath place once before, and I really did love the smell. But it was just so pricey. And then I bought from another subscription box company. I bought some of their scent boosters. There was not great scent. So I'm super excited to try this. Ooh, and I love the smell. Gosh, what is that scent? It's maybe citrusy. It's a good smell. Gosh, you guys, I can't place it. But okay, but I love it. I love it. So let's see. It does say ingredients: coconut soap, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium pericarbonate, phthalate-free fragrance, phthalate-free fragrance. And this was manufactured down in Myrtle, Mississippi. And it says to use 2 tablespoons per load. You guys, I am super excited and happy to try that. All right. And we have got one more item in here. And this is by the same, it's the same scent. Again, Influencer, and it is room spray. I'm loving this one too. Let's see. Prime it. It's very light. It is very fresh smelling. I am liking it. Very much so. So this is an 8.5 ounce. And this, I'm not sure what the ounce is it on this sock. But it's hefty, you guys. Hefty. Now there is nothing in here to talk about the products. Do I mind that? I don't think I mind that, because all I have to do is to go on to their website and I can read about the products. So I actually don't mind that there's nothing in here. And they're saving some paper. Super happy, you guys. So $19 a month. So it came to $25.35. What do I think of the pricing? I'm happy with the pricing, because I mean, the room spray alone, and again, you guys, this is a nice amount of laundry soap. So I am super happy. Cannot wait to try it and report back to you guys. So hope you enjoyed this new unboxing from Magnolia Soap and Bath Company. So everybody take care, and we will spend some time together again soon. Bye, everyone.